Number one, when it comes to a reason for a case to be denied, is not giving all the information that's needed, because that could make the officer think you're lying and accuse you of fraud or misrepresentation, which is a very serious charge. And that example I talked about earlier that I just got, the couple had gone to the marriage green card interview. The foreign spouse had done military service before and did not reference it in the paperwork. And the failure to do that is going to cause the case to be denied. And if it accuses you of fraud or misrepresentation, then it's really hard, it's very difficult. There are waivers for it to kind of overcome that accusation of fraud or misrepresentation they make against you. But that's the last thing we want to do. If these people, this couple had come to me first, we would have had all the paperwork together with explanations to try to cover ourselves and make sure we're forthcoming with all the information, but they did not say it in the green card application and in a previous visa application at the embassy. So we're going to go through it to see what happens, but this could have all been avoided by just giving the information beforehand to avoid these accusations of fraud or misrepresentation. Now you might say, I made an honest mistake, I wasn't thinking about it, I didn't intend to do it. It's not that easy. This misrepresentation could happen even if you didn't think about it. If it was an honest mistake, they do not look at it that way. This is a really harsh hammer that drops on you, so don't take it lightly. U.S. immigration is an extremely hard and difficult process when it comes to how they view people and how they treat them. A lot of times I have clients who come from foreign countries, and when they fill out applications and the questionnaires I give them, half of it is missing or the information not complete or it's kind of inaccurate. They don't realize how strict the Immigration Department, USCIS, and the Consular Office, that Department of State, and the embassies are, and how everything has to be exact. Your address history, your life history, your work history, all the organizations and groups you're a member of, all this stuff has to be exactly there, and discrepancies, information missing, and all that kind of stuff can and will be used against you. So please don't make mistakes like this, not only in the marriage green card application, in the tourist visa application you make, in the student visa application that you make, any kind of interaction you have with the U.S. government, please do not miss information, because that can and will be in most cases used against you in your future cases. I hope you enjoyed this educational video. We have a second channel with much more information as well at JQK Immigration Clips. Please check that out. Also, you'll find our social media site has a lot more videos, images, and information about the U.S. immigration process. Please check those out on the various social media websites.